Shout out to Lisa, Missa, shout out to me and Kaya, Tita, May, Fatty, Tuan. Hi, thank you for always. Shout out, Tina, Senate, shout out, Joe, Tina, Cinnamon. Hi, thank you for always. Roxanne.
Should take ignorante.
They're new.
Yeah.
They've got new trains now.
Namin sa ano guys, sa WUPPERTAL. Then gusto ko yung makita yung train bitaw guys na ano yan, pabaliktad. Ang dagan. So every 6 minutes. Bibi can
There's somebody driving you.
yeah? Then Chilling. Yeah. Naman tayo lila po under. Oh, they are filming too. Oh, see? It's not just me. And you know what? He's using a camera. Nakaka-amaze naman to guys, right? See guys? See? You're still gonna sit inside, Francene. Can you close this guy? First, we go to the zoo. Francis is sleeping. Ta-da! Close the focus. He's gonna wake up. What's wrong?
So you're gonna come?
Still train. Yeah. Yeah, it's still a train. Yeah. Yes.
Liebe Fahrgäste, die Maskenpflicht an Bushaltestellen ist aufgehoben. In allen Buslinien Bussen, Schwebebahnen und Stationen bleibt das Tragen einer medizinischen Maske Pflicht. Bitte bleiben Sie gesund.
What? Yeah, we're gonna go to the zoo. We're going to the zoo. Ay guys, andito na tayo. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ang view. Kasi, kung ako yung tanawon, hindi nyo makita yung view. Zoom out natin. This is WUPPERTAL. Char lang. From here, the station. Phone yung gamit ko guys. Because last time, nung nag-cologne kami, grabe ka shaky yung camera. Tapos pag phone, mas maganda siya kasi hindi shaky. So phone tayo, no? Yan, punta kami doon sa zoo muna para dalhin yung mga bata.
There's nothing there.
No? That's not duck there. Wala mo dahil na-adra guys. Tig video lang tani. Tig video. Wow. So which way we go? You wanna walk, Francene? Yeah, walk. Wait, because she just wanna walk. So you can see the... We should see where is we gonna start. Okay. Okay. Ayan. Come here, Francene. First time for Francene to go to the zoo. Kasi nung lockdown, pandemic. Lockdown, there's no zoo open. Now it's your first time here. Oh, sorry. Ayan. Going to the zoo. Zoo. How about you? You. Francene. What's wrong, B? Ay, ang kurisma ko. Now, there's a... Watch out, Papa. Si Francene pa yung nagpaalala sa papa niya. Watch out, Papa. Gugma, si Lion.
The whole tree.
I hold you.
Wow. It's talking.
Yeah, they're
You
talking.
might come up here.
Yeah, no, they have a hole there. See? Ah. You want to go in the next one? Okay. Yeah. Bird also, pa. Yeah.
Oh, ja. Milo, das dicke. Rechts sind alles, nee. Ah, nee. Oh.
Yeah.
That's it there. They have one left.
So there you see the age.
Yeah.
2008. Born 7, 15, 15, 20, 21.
The other one was born in Munich.
Yeah. 2008. That's the big one in there.
Yeah. Okay, we go in the other one. Other one. You wanna see? Okay. Yeah, but wait for Mama and Papa.
Should go closer.
I'm afraid that the
have to do is go closer.
Dann kriegen die wir davon.
Oh, I smell that?
Ja. Hi.
Like im richtigen Leben, ne?
Hi, Mama Bird. Come on.
Mama, Apple.
Say bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, the sea lion is really making... Nanami sa ano. You wanna see? Yeah. Yeah, no, he's not. He can...
Yan pa.
Yeah, that's the mama.
Schimpft mit dir genauso, wenn du da reinspringst.
A little bit.
Whoa.
The baby there and the mama will blah. That's why the mama is always... Whoa, go, go. No, they're not. Yeah, that's the mama. That's the mama. That's the mama. Flying the kids. Huh? See that? They're flying the baby kids. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. I'm holding you. See? She's flying the kids. Her kids. See? She always wants her kids to be in the water. Okay. Hi.
On the next one.
Okay.
I want to do the iceberg.
There's no iceberg. Yeah, she's a liner.
Oh, yeah, there's fillers that you can
Yeah.
touch.
Baby.
Hmm. Hmm.
I'm a shadow.
Are you sure, sad? Because she's a liner. Francine is saying, guys, na sad daw ni siya, guys, because she's alone daw, guys. Hmm.
I'm doing the next one.
Okay. Say bye-bye now. Take care. Boy. Oh, sorry. So now, what is in here? What is in here?
You can leave your kids here in the zoo. You can touch them, you can caress them, you give them some food.
They are the baby horse? Donkey. Okay.
Donkey.
Yeah. Yeah.
Donkey.
The donkey there. Oh, pala the mother. Oh, sorry. The mama's, he got awa na. He's drama. He's like Francine.
They like that,
Yeah.
they like that.
Mama.
Nicht zu Hause.
Well, Francine is slowly. He has a horse, Papa.
He's going to get up.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Franz. And here's bye-bye to the donkey. Leopard there, guys. Nandun sa taas. Uy, di mo makita.
Nope.
You stay here. Then you see it there.
Can you see it?
Ayan siya. Hindi mo kasi masikita. Tiger ating hanapin. Yuko. Francene. Hey, see us.
Run back, run back.
Look at Jene. She's so afraid.
I'm afraid, of course. No, baby. Stop that. He's finding a way. Come here now, Francene. Look at the tiger, guys. Guys, we're having a break. Coffee muna din. Among view is a tiger there in front. Laing kig tinanawan ang tiger, guys. Tinanawan, guys. Himo.
Naara siya swimming class.
It shows here is na makaswim din na may tubig dira oh. Yeah, bird. Napasilong mi diri. Hala. He's getting out pa.
Uh-oh. Almost as direct there.
Yeah, go there.
Oh yeah.
Hey, just leave it there.
He's getting out. Is he finding a way? We should go out here pa. Uy. Francene, come on here. Come here.
Let her be.
Hadlok ko ba si makagawas ang tiger, guys? Why are they not afraid?
Because they are. Yeah.
Hi.
They don't see the head of them.
Yeah, he's hiding in that tree, guys. Oh. Yeah, I can see that there. Ang view namin, guys. Tiger. Nahadlok juga ako yung nahadlok there, guys. Okay, guys, diba? Ang daming movie na ating napapanood.
Yeah, that's why.
Wait, one more.
My star
We
sign
didn't-
is lion.
We didn't see yet the
Leo
lion.
und
guys.
Francis auch. Francis und ich ist Aries.
But they say there's only one lion.
Nein, leider Francine auch.
Francene is not.
Ja.
June 24 and 2.
She's
Doch,
star sign
sie-
lion.
Ja, sie
You
ist.
better be under me. Don't try to get,
Glaube ich.
to be so bossy.
Letztes Mal habe ich gesehen, dass sie ist auch Löwe wie du.
Okay.
Und was bist du dir? Aquarius.
We should keep this on so if the lion is gonna attack us.
It's
Sweat
gonna-
there pa. Sweat.
it's gonna be-
Ow, there wasn't hot.
Yeah.
We will. Na, guck sie uns die ganze Zeit, Junge.
He
Yeah. EVD is.
Was hast du denn?
what?
I think he's hungry.
Yeah, he keep moving every time somebody is there. Finding a way. I think he's gonna be smart soon, eh? How long is the tiger there?
I don't know. It says it there for sure.
Yeah, we will go home. Are you cold?
She's cold. She wants to have actually the lamp in. I don't know why you have it.
It's cold. I put I put you a dress. Should I put you dress? Ella, don't go there. Here. Here. You're not in the mood.
Oh, der bewegt nochmal.
Uy. No, I gonna clean that, eh? Yeah.
What should I do? It's not gonna.
Wait. Now. Yes. The side.
Look that
Okay.
side.
Oh,
Hala.
jetzt geht der näher. Der Löwe geht was der Löwe. Tiger kommt näher.
Here, in the
Hey,
side.
hinter. That's
Here.
not.
Here. Now, come on, move here, Francine, so they can also go to the baby is crying. Baby's crying here. No, put her here.
Baby hat Hunger.
Hungry out, I think.
Gleich.
Francis. You wanna sit, Francine?
Here, come here.
Sit here, then put him here, pa. All I bring is short. I was not thinking that.
Good for the you're look at that, your shoulders are covered. Yeah, it's good that you have the scarf with you.
Sit.
Alles
Come on, take out the bag. Come on, sit down, sit down. Here's a tiger.
If you don't see it, you're gonna get panic.
No, sit there. Because I'm gonna put on the...
That sounds like Francene.
Yeah, when she's a baby.
Yeah.
Either baby. So guys, it's what time now? 16, 18. We're stuck here. Nagpuyo lang din guys. Kasi
Oh God,
ulan.
yung tiga is da.
Tapos napadaan kami sa tiger na view.
They didn't get
Ulan po
far.
siya.
They didn't get far there.
That. Kasi see you. They gonna come back here now.
They're in video too, I think.
Dito lang muna kami sa camera. Dito lang muna kami sa dito kasi umulan siya, malakas siya guys.
Globe niya is so high.
It's really cold. Hala, the tiger is again there. It's again walking guys. Kita yung sa mga movie na nandun kayo sa movie ay sa park or sa kuan tapos lumalabas yung mga dinosaur.
Na,
Pag dinosaur park ba ano?
Dig Jurassic Park, das ist dann so.
I told him it's going to be heavier and
Die verstehen nichts.
uh,
Die können kein Englisch.
but the guy keeps asking, do we go now? Do we go now? And the poor child, the baby,
Is your meat there all? It's getting kuan wet too.
What?
It's getting wet your baon. Baon is si Frank.
That's my snack.
Nahurot ng baon guys. Napa di ay. Kami nabilin sa mong baon. I'll keep this for later for them just in case we get more stock.
You want cake, Dad? You want cake, Dad?
No, she doesn't want to. Just sleep. You want to finish your dede? You want to finish your dede?
Da, was ist wärmer sein.
Here. Then try to sleep. Nag-ano ko guys kasi hindi ako nagdala ng long sleeve at saka leggings sa mga bata. Sa mga bata, ang dala ko is puro pang summer. Kasi hindi ko nakita ang weather ng WUPPERTAL. Ang chinek ko lang ang weather ng Basildorf. We're gonna clean you up. I clean your papos with my building. My pa. Is this bolognese?
Yeah.
Okay, bolognese guys. It's hot. Come here, Francis. Francis, come here.
What, Dada, Mama?
No, you can sit inside.
Next time when we go away, you remind Mama, you need to bring a rain jacket. Okay? That's your job.
Ich dachte, wir leggings sind da.
The extra should be leggings, not short. Ito, the elephant and the try this pasta.
Only 50 minutes until they close.
What?
Only 50 minutes until they close for now. It's not going to stop raining.
It's gonna close?
At 1800, no?
Elephant. Hapit na mag-close guys. 30 minutes na lang mag-close na. So, lalabas na kami. Yeah, but you're gonna be wet, Francene. Kinder.
Ella, you want to come here? Can I throw these shoes? Because there's, I don't know, there's a hole in here.
So that means you need new
It's down,
shoes.
down below.
That means you need new shoes.
It's right. It's down below, not on top.
I was filming earlier too.
What my tower?
Is here?
Industrial buyer and something.
Yeah.
Ja, Glück für ihn. Glück haben die
Filipina Straße. Sie erreichen von hier das Berufsinformationszentrum
Older,
und die
ne?
Agentur für Arbeit.
Ja. Look at the train station, what it looks like. Old Fachwerke.
Aber Mike und auch.
Yeah, but it looks cool. The way it's done. I like that. There's a church here.
Loher Brücke. Sie erreichen von hier die Junior-Uni.
Touring WUPPERTAL. WUPPERTAL guys, WUPPERTAL. It's a big playground there. Sometimes it's scary. Because what if it's gonna mula mo will fall. That's it then. WUPPERTAL for more. There, you should close that.
Then we have drama.
It's like that. Yeah.
Drama in Wuppertal.
Family phone.
Mein Hand ist kein Ständer.
Say again? What?
Liebe Fahrgäste, die Maskenpflicht an Bushaltestellen ist aufgehoben. In allen Bussen, Schwebebahnen und Stationen bleibt das Tragen einer medizinischen Maske Pflicht. Bitte bleiben Sie gesund.
Grabe naman to guys, ang laki ng Primark nila dito. Primark, may suki. Yeah, ang laki ng Primark na dito guys. Naikog ang Primark na sa Düsseldorf ko. Grabe, ang laki talaga ng Primark nila. Nasa city kami. Ang ganda ng train station nila dito guys. Oh. Ang linis. Tapos, andun si Frank at si Ella. Nagmamili sila ng donut, Dunkin. Ang lawak at saka ang kuan, ang linis. At hindi din siya busy. Hindi pa gaya sa Düsseldorf na grabe, ang daming tao lagi. Doon si Frank at silang ano. Pauwi na kami guys. So, meron pa kaming coffee time. So, nagbili kami ng coffee. And Francis is dying! Cook.
Good, hello.
Yeah, hello then.
No, wait a second.
Yeah.